I want you to see behind the scenes of JoeteckTips. This is what I'm doing. I'm constantly doing videos and editing them and seeing how I can get it to be the best for you.
Hey guys, this is Joey Bag of Donuts from Time to Dime. How you doing? Today is a vlog. I forget what vlog number it is. I haven't done one in a long time, but I thought I'd do one on what is involved in creating a YouTube video. And I'm sure that's probably a question you may have, or some of you may have. It'll be a little bit different than a how-to video, and that's what I want it to be like. And those are the things that you'll see it probably in the editing part, but at this part you won't see it, if that makes sense. So let's get to it and how it's actually done.
So anyway, so I have the footage that I recorded today. Each one of these is a different video track for music or whatever, and this is pretty much how it's done. Like for me, I listen to it, see how it comes across, how it starts.
Hey guys,
and this is what I recorded earlier today. So,
hey guys, this is Joey.
So I would go through the footage. So I would go through the footage to see what part of it I don't like, what part I made a mistake, if I coughed at all, sneezed at all. That's pretty much how it is. I mean, we all make mistakes. Nothing, it looks perfect on your side when you're watching it. Like even this may be changed. Who knows? So,
Hey
so
guys,
this was already pre-recorded. So I don't like how that sounded.
Hey guys, this is Joey.
So I did it twice. Did you notice that? I did it in the beginning and then I did it again. Because remember, editing is fun. You know, you can get to do whatever you like to do. So,
hey guys, this is Joey.
I didn't like how that sounded.
Hey guys, this is Joey Bag of Donuts from Time to Dime. How you doing? Today is a vlog.
So at that point, I would edit it and
hey guys, this is Joe.
Probably start at that point, move it over, fade it in a little bit, and then go.
Hey guys, this is Joey.
So the beginning part is not there now.
Time to Dime. How you doing?
All right. So
today is a vlog.
So this vlog is what we're doing here. Or this is learning or knowing what's behind the scenes with JoeteckTips and how I'm going to edit this video. So it's kind of funny because this is going to be in the video too. So I'm going to show you up to a certain point, and then it's going to be will be edited in at the end. So it's kind of wacky. So you're going to see it twice. Who knows?
Hey guys, this is Joey.
So this is pretty much what I do. So I listen to it, and then I would go through and hear it.
What is involved in creating a YouTube video? And I'm sure that's probably a question you may have.
Now that you saw that pop up, now that is my lower third that comes up all the time. And right now, I just published a microphone video, and that was it. So I used the same template. So I simply just changed this information here of what it's actually listed there. It says Comica microphone. That's not what it is. This is a, what goes into a YouTube video. That's the title. What goes into a YouTube video. So I'm adding that into this. So this is what I do. So if you're wondering, like, oh, what's Joe gonna pop out next, or what video is he gonna do next? This is how it's done. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing on a regular basis. Like, I'm always coming up with some other idea. Like, I have a 29-inch monitor that I have to review still, but I want to get this out first. I want you to see behind the scenes of JoeteckTips. This is what I'm doing. I'm constantly doing videos and editing them and seeing how I can get it to be the best for you. And it may be edited. This may be shrunken down. Who knows? But then,
YouTube video.
So
I'm sure
this
that's-
up top there, you see link below to purchase because I just reviewed it, a product, so that'll be muted. So I can just hit the mute button. Whoops. So I can just hit the mute button, and that channel will be muted, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. So I'm not selling anything in this video. So there's no reason to have the link below. So I shut that off, and that's off for now. My logo stays. I can move that anywhere I want on the page, on the screen, but I leave it there because that's where I always put it. And then I play it again to see how it looks.
Video. And I'm sure that's probably a question you may have, or some of you may have. And I'm going to make it into a vlog only because I find that being something that is more personal to me than doing a how-to video. It's going to be like a how-to video, but it's more of a vlog because it'll be a shot. It'll be a little bit different than a how-to.
So I don't like that. So I'm going to take that out probably.
I find that being 3D animation.
So, see that?
Incoming message.
Even my cell phone goes off, so that's typical. So, what is this? I did an Amazon review. Let's see. So I may actually add this part to the front in the beginning of the video to kind of get you enticed about the video, if that makes any sense. Content creation is a very, very difficult job. Very, very hard. Creating videos is, you got to make something that the people want to see. And this is, like I said, behind the scenes. And this will be edited probably quite a bit as well.
This will be included in the how-to portion of it, meaning we're going to actually open up the video editing software and show you what is needed to be done. And that's that. So you record content first, like what I'm doing right now. You record content, you edit the content, you add in the necessary
So anyway, that's pretty much how it is. So without making this video like go into like 10 minutes long, I hope you guys like what you see with JoeteckTips. I just broke 4,000 subscribers a couple days ago. I'm very, very happy. I love each and every one of you guys immensely. I love the comments, and thank you very much for becoming a subscriber for JoeteckTips. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You have no idea. JoeteckTips, baby! If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please slam that subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified for the next video. I have a 29-inch monitor that's coming up next. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Just got a text message. Unbelievable. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,